What number is the camping again?
100, he's 104.
He's 104, you're 100. Okay, he was asking.
We're pretty close.
Yeah, we are. Oh, there's only like... They just set up. Oh yeah, so they are tenants. They set up camp and stuff. So
No, scouts.
but then
Where do I go to
get the key.
no, because I'm camping, I'm tenting it.
See where the tent people are?
Yeah, that's our guys too, right there.
That's it. Squirrel.
Here he is, first fish of the day! Woo! Yeah, no, just hit him really hard. Hit him really hard. Just hit him now. Yeah. Come on, it's your fish. Let him suffer. Don't let him suffer. Just hit him. Really hard. Smack him. Come on.
Are you filming it?
Just yes, I'm filming it. Come on. You know.
How about making a...
Yeah, hit him right now. One more time. There you go.
Oh, he's all lit now.
Yeah, he's dead. Want me to get your picture? Kent got his first fish. Nice.
Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so now what?
Here, one second. Just on the ground.
What?
Just smack. That's gonna kill it. The hook is in his mouth. It's in his throat. You're not gonna get that one.
I understand.
Come on, just.
I don't understand why you need to film it.
Because I want to. Yeah, I'm making a video, so.
Right on. Sorry, dog. Ooh.
Okay, how about you do it over here? You're gonna lose it again.
Yeah, well, I'll hit him here.
Yeah, hit him better. Hard. Hard again. One more time. Until he gets one. Okay, he's done. Or not.
Nope, still going. Die.
Okay, he's dead. Alright. This is what Pastor Isaac has in his refrigerator. Blue Able, baby. Fish, 3 fish we caught today. Mine's one eye missing. Oh my word. Never let this guy go alone. Alright.
Hope his wife doesn't call mine or we're all going to be in trouble.
No, but it's everything's up there. It worked itself out in 1 year. The government in 1932, Democratic government, Franklin Roosevelt, got all involved in all these programs, spent all not having any luck.
Was it a getter?
There's fish out here, and he keeps going after it, but it's not taking. He's just bouncing around. He's different. I got the wrong one. I don't know.
Dude.
If you get a picture of, is it too dark to take it,
Here, hold these.
or do you want to do it now?
Where's my guy facing you?
This is his
Yeah.
beauty right here.
Get
It's
me in
still-
You know what? Maybe what we should do, if it's too dark, we should do it now.
Smile. Oh, look at that
Move
cute
out,
smile.
Move back a little bit so I can put the folds in. Maybe it's too. Maybe it's too. Oh, dude, you're terrible. I'm sorry.
Here,
That's
here.
all right.
Pop them in here.
I thought you guys wanted to take a picture of it.
We are. I'm taking a video.
Oh yeah, but how are you gonna put that on the? Here, fig the.
Here, I can take a picture. Dude, okay, Bob. If you can't even make tuna fish at your house,
now you're on record, buddy.
you're dude. We ain't taking you fishing again if you can't. I know people that throw up all the time. So you bet.
All right, so step number one is you're scaling the fish. All right. Where's the water? Let's wash them.
I didn't see that done yesterday, Nathan.
What?
There was no scaling done
You should
yesterday,
scale.
right?
You should scale the fish.
You guys didn't do that yesterday when I was over here.
You're cleaning your own fish.
Step number two, we're gonna
Yes.
open them up.
Him.
You ain't the boss of me. Get the thing on my face.
Where do you put
Please hit
where do you
me.
guys are putting the guts? All right, so you're gonna start here.
Oh, you.
This is totally different than what they did yesterday.
Who's they? Father Craig.
Greg and Nathan.
All right, so you're going right down the gut.
Now you gotta show what they've been eating.
Okay. Cut towards the gills. All right, now this is their tummy right here somewhere. Are you pulling out all the guts? I think this is the tummy right here.
You gonna try and get some salmon bait for tomorrow?
No, I'm just seeing what they've been eating.
Why are you doing it this way? You could remember you put your hand in it and you pull it all out once.
Yeah, you can do that. I haven't got that far yet. All right.
Blow chunks.
No, you're not.
Get stuff all over my camera.
That's hard to grab. Get a hold of. Get out of here. All right. That's
The
just-
fish is still alive. The fish is still
That's the
alive.
inners. Okay.
Should you just cut its head off first?
If you want to.
His brain's in there.
All right.
Is that his liver? Or is that his heart? That's
Fava
his,
beans.
That looks like a liver to me. Fava beans. Did you guys cut off the head for the
No,
other?
can I tell you what Craig did yesterday? Just for,
Tell me anything you want.
'cause I don't know. He cut a V down here
Yeah.
and then went up. Like you were here and went down.
I want the other
He
one.
went down here with a V up and then he peeled back that part
Um,
and then like he folded over.
yeah, he folded all over.
Well, maybe his way is more efficient. I've been doing it this way for a while.
Do you know the other
all
way?
I'm doing is cleaning out the guts right now, all the blood. This is the blood in the membrane.
So it's really just a wall of muscle wrapped around your guts, huh?
Well, yeah, he's got his intestines there, his liver.
Some fava